Ever wondered why some men exude an aura of unshakable confidence while others seem to crumble under pressure? The secret lies in mental strength, a trait that can be spotted within minutes of meeting someone. In this video, we'll unveil the 15 key habits that set mentally strong men apart from the rest. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss out on the critical insights that could transform your life and relationships. We'll reveal surprising truths about mental toughness that may challenge everything you thought you knew about confidence and success. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets of becoming an unstoppable force in both your personal and professional life. 1. The power of presentation. Mastering first impressions, mentally strong men understand that appearance matters. They take pride in their grooming and dress appropriately for every occasion. This isn't about vanity. It's about respect for themselves and others. Think of how Steve Jobs' iconic black turtleneck became a symbol of his focused approach to life and business. 2. The art of self-deprecation. Embracing imperfections with humor, confidence allows for self-awareness and the ability to laugh at one's flaws. Mentally strong men aren't afraid to poke fun at themselves. This disarms others and shows true self-assurance. Consider how Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson often jokes about his past fashion choices, endearing himself to fans while showcasing his confidence. 3. The ownership mindset. Taking responsibility for life's outcomes. Blaming others is easy, but mentally strong men take responsibility for their circumstances. They understand that owning their mistakes is the first step to improvement. Take Mark Cuban, who openly discusses his early career failures as learning experiences that led to his later success. 4. The financial independence imperative. Breaking free from dependency, true mental strength comes with financial self-reliance. Mentally strong men strive for financial independence, understanding that it's a key component of personal freedom. Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle, despite his immense wealth, exemplifies this principle of self-sufficiency. 5. The resilience factor. Overcoming self-pity. Wallowing in self-pity is a trap that mentally strong men avoid. They acknowledge setbacks but focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Nelson Mandela's ability to emerge from 27 years of imprisonment without bitterness is a powerful example of this mental fortitude. 6. The Unshakeable Core. Maintaining confidence in the face of adversity. A single negative encounter doesn't derail a mentally strong man's self-esteem. They understand that criticism or failure is part of life, not a reflection of their worth. Elon Musk's persistence in the face of early SpaceX failures demonstrates this unwavering self-belief. 7. The brotherhood bond. Valuing and nurturing. Friendships. Mentally strong men recognize the importance of maintaining strong friendships. They invest time and effort in these relationships, understanding their value in both good times and bad. The enduring friendship between Ben Affleck and Matt Damon in Hollywood's competitive environment illustrates this principle. 8. The active life philosophy. Embracing physical and mental stimulation. Idleness is the enemy of mental strength. Mentally strong men engage in regular physical activity and seek mental challenges. They understand the mind-body connection. Astronaut Scott Kelly's rigorous exercise routine during his year in space showcases the importance of staying active, even in extreme circumstances. 9. The selective approval approach. Letting go of people-pleasing. Trying to please everyone is a futile endeavor that mentally strong men avoid. They're not afraid to ruffle feathers when necessary and understand that respect is more valuable than universal likability. Simon Cowell's direct, often controversial judging style on talent shows exemplifies this trait. 10. The abundance mindset. Celebrating others' successes. Mentally strong men don't view life as a zero-sum game. They genuinely celebrate others' achievements, understanding that success for others doesn't diminish their own potential. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett's friendship and philanthropic collaboration demonstrate this abundance mentality. 11. The respect paradigm. Honoring women's contributions. True mental strength involves respecting and valuing women's contributions. Mentally strong men understand that putting others down reflects poorly on themselves. Justin Trudeau's commitment to gender balance in his cabinet showcases this respectful approach to leadership. 12. The solitude strength. Embracing alone time. Being comfortable alone is a sign of mental strength. Mentally strong men don't fear solitude. They use it for self-reflection and personal growth. Bill Gates' famous Think Weeks, where he isolates himself to read and strategize, illustrates the power of embracing alone time. 13. The efficiency ethic. Maximizing time and effort, mentally strong men understand the value of time and avoid wasting it. They prioritize activities that align with their goals and values. Elon Musk's notorious work ethic and time management skills, juggling multiple companies, exemplify this efficient approach to life. 14. The humility of curiosity. Admitting knowledge gaps, it takes strength to admit when you don't know something. Mentally strong men are comfortable asking questions and seeking knowledge. Neil deGrasse Tyson's willingness to engage with and learn from others, even on topics outside his expertise, demonstrates this trait. 15. The decisiveness doctrine. Making timely decisions, mentally strong men don't hesitate on important decisions. They understand that action, even if imperfect, is often better than paralysis by analysis. Jeff Bezos's regret minimization framework for decision-making showcases this decisive approach to life and business. If you're intrigued by the idea of developing unshakable mental strength and the success it can bring, keep watching our previous videos. We delve deeper into strategies for personal growth, financial independence, and the surprising benefits that come with cultivating a resilient mindset. Your journey to becoming a mentally strong, confident individual starts now. Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources that will help you implement these habits in your daily life. Remember, mental strength is the foundation of a truly successful and fulfilled life. Start building yours today.